Life and death, what critical insights does the original Hebrew understanding reveal? The subject of life and death has been a topic of great debate throughout history, and it continues to evoke strong emotions. While many people view death as the cessation of bodily functions, the original Hebraic perspective offers a different understanding. In the book of Bereshit, we encounter the concept of life according to the Hebrew Bible. Genesis 2:7 describes the creation of the first human, Adam, stating that Elohim formed man from the dust of the ground, and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living being. This verse suggests that Adam was not truly alive until he received the breath of life from Yah, which imbued him with the mind/spirit of the Creator, and made him a living soul. In other words, from the original biblical perspective, human beings are not considered to truly alive, unless they are connected to the divine source, and that is what keeps their organs functioning, or living souls. This Hebraic understanding of life also provides insight into the concept of death. From this perspective, death occurs in 3 stages. Death, first stage, disconnected from source. The first stage in the dying process, from the original biblical Hebrew perspective, is disconnection from the source of life, the Creator. Adam and Eve were warned that eating from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil would result in death, but we note that they did not immediately die physically. Some people have used this verse to argue that the serpent was telling the truth, and Elohim lied. Yet these deductions are based on the more carnal perspectives of life and living. From the original biblical Hebrew standpoint, the walking dead, they no longer considered living souls because they had become disconnected from the divine source. This constitutes the first stage of death, which is also the most significant. This first stage gives rise to the other 2 stages. Second stage, strange behavior. The second stage of death involves strange behavior, as seen in Adam and Eve's behavior after eating from the forbidden tree. They began to act in ways that were not in line with their previous behavior. They even hid from Elohim. This behavioral change further alienated them from the divine source. Perhaps such strange behavior may include certain dietary or lifestyle choices, addictions, perhaps even forms of entertainment. This speaks to those actions that alienate us from the divine source. Third stage, physical death. The third and final stage of death involves the deterioration of the soul, leading to physical death. This understanding of life and death highlights the importance of remaining connected to the divine source and living a life in accordance with divine principles. It also highlights the importance of reconnecting with the original Hebrew language, thought, and interpretation, that these texts were originally written to draw the original message and insights on many critical matters that have to do with our existence on this planet.